Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a beautiful, intense purple glam makeup look. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now off camera there, I did add my concealer, some powder, and primed my eyelids. And voila, here, I got my brows on my face too. Now it's time to move on to on camera. For the first color, I'm adding a beautiful matte pink shadow, patting it on first and then blend it out, and then I'm kind of intensifying it more and more until I have my desired look. Then with a smaller detailed brush, I'm patting on a medium purple shade, blending it in with some windshield wiper motions, and then blending the edge with the brush used earlier. Using some NYX Jumbo pencils, I'm adding the lighter shade to about 2/3 of my eyelid and the darker purple to the outer third, then using a super tiny detailed brush to blend those out. Time for the shadows. The inner corner portion of my eye and a little bit to the inner of my lid, I'm adding a beautiful white shimmer shade that has purple flecks, then continuing to a very light, beautiful, like baby pink shimmer shadow and blending it slightly into the white color. Then with the next color, it's like a lighter purple and a purple shimmer. I'm going to apply that and blend it into the pink. And then this outer third color, oh my gosh, it's a gorgeous, intense purple shimmer shade. Just keep blending that, adding that. And then to the crease, I'm adding a little more of that medium purple matte shade. That's right, lower lash line, it's your turn. We're going to repeat all the steps that we did on the lid to the lower lash line, using the Jumbo pencils first, kind of smudging them out with the pad of my finger, and then applying all of the shadows. The lighter color, the nice, beautiful baby pink shade, then the mix of the two purples, and the darker, intense purple. We want to connect it to the lid shades. Now off camera, I also added some liner, some mascara. I also bronzed and added my blush. Here I did a quick little set, but we didn't forget it. We fanned it out because we don't have time for it to dry. Now once I add my setting spray, I love to highlight. So it's gonna go everywhere. Brow bone, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cheekbones, of course, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. And then lastly, I like to mattify my face more. So I take some powder and get my forehead, the inner portions of my cheeks, and my chin. Curls are poppin', time to get the lips poppin'. The first color I paired this with is an intense deep purple shade, my favorite. Next, a gorgeous fuchsia shade that really makes the pink colors pop. And lastly, a lip liner and gloss to really let you focus on the eyes. All right, all my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope to see you next Monday. Take care. Bless you. Whoa, bless you again. Oh, whoops.